Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video we will be learning how to turn off music and sound effect from your Shadowgun Legends game. Whether you are trying to focus during intense gameplay or just prefer silence, turning off the in-game music in Shadowgun Legends is quick and easy. First of all, launch open the game on your device and wait for it to load completely. Once you're in the lobby or home screen, tap on the gear icon which will be located at the top left. This will then open up the General tab where you'll need to toggle the button right next to Music all the way towards the left. You can also turn off the SFX option and make sure to drag it all the way to the left and make it look like this. After you do that, you will be able to turn off music and sound effect in the game. Whether you're streaming, recording, or just focusing, you've got full control over the game's sound. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.